So we found this pool.
It's okay.
It's like,
oh, jacuzzi.
really?
Yay. It's only 1 foot.
Haha, I got it.
Another
Bam.
one.
Yeah.
The one that is with the slide is for others.
No.
Wanna walk?
Yeah, we're gonna walk to that one.
Later we're gonna go in it.
Oh my god, whatever these bugs are.
Right here.
Crazy.
Ow!
It's the desert. Junk or?
No, like, these ants are like itching my hair everywhere.
No, really, there isn't any.
See, I hate the desert.
I don't know where it went. It'll probably all come out later.
Yeah, in my sleep, and it goes into my ear. Kills me. Hate these.
There's some eggs in
We're in
here.
the desert, so
No, it's alright.
doesn't look like we're in the desert because we went to a better place. But yeah, you get what I mean. They're nice. They water their garden too much.
But not as pretty as me.
No, it's actually true. They're like, gosh.
Look at this rock I found.
Ew, Kevin.
What's up with you and farting?
Last night, everyone was farting. It's pretty. Oh, this is a lot of walking, and now I'm not so tired anymore.
Oh, you mean Jay Piss?
Your piss.
Jay Piss.
Hey, Jay, got a piss? No.
You know, I know a friend named Jay. His best friend name is Jay.
I want to see this stuff.
What's that? Parking rock.
So we should be right there. Okay. You know those cactuses are actually soft? Yeah. Wait.
Is this? No,
Sorry.
that's not it. But it looks exactly like that.
Hey, look, a duck.
Okay, I'm gonna put the cactus.
Hold up, not trying. I'm taking. Okay, go. Wow. Hey, look, a lizard. It was right there, and then it like went away.
Can I still video?
Yeah.
Donkeys.
Duckies. Ducks. Look at that little dogs.
Yeah, the water's like so wet here. Oh, I'm so soaking wet. Oh, there's one over there.
Why is the bug going after me?
Because he likes red. Oh, check this out. This is so cool. Oh. I don't see anything. The ripples. Oh, that's cool. Oh, check this out. This is so cool. Check this out.